as we dey like beans and rice. Edo people, I will never leave your side. I will never ever. I dedicate my time forever, time to you, my people. Even if the road is rough, I know mine.
We cannot continue suffering like this. Today, trouble. Buy rice, trouble. Buy garri, trouble. Buy what do we do? We want to chase out PDP and APC. We don't die for them.
Cause we don't check in profile, and he's a son of Edo. He don't do it for federal.
Go out and vote, Mama, Papa. Mama, Papa. Leave me down.
Olumide Akpata, see as we dey like beans and rice. Edo people, I will never leave your side.
We will do them like steam. We will send them hot breakfast. That is it. We will who the people. They don't bad. Not the who not the labor party people. They say we know their level. Not the who we will stop them.
And you feel disappointed, but I assure you, God allowed everything for a purpose, so that we can see that those who claim are experts have nothing to offer. All the love of suffering. That is what they do. Every time there's an election, they promise, but what we can have is more suffering, more suffering, more suffering. And that is what we want to end. And we are begging you, on the 21st of this month, please go out and vote Mama, Papa,
Us together we shall stand.